Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, today we are going to talk about one of the most demanded programs of Sunya IAS. We call it TRINETRA. This program we released for Prelims 2022 and aspirants have been calling us to know when we will be launching it for 2023. So this is one program which will help you increase your prelims marks by 15 to 20. So yes, if you're scoring somewhere around 70 to 75 or 80, then this program will ensure that you cross 100 or reach 100. And in the last few years, UPSC cutoff has not crossed 100. So this is one program which is going to come to your aid in the main examination. Now in the following video, we are going to discuss the components and how this program is going to be helpful, and also we will look at the feedback from students. So let's get started. Here, this program has two components this year. The first will be logical aptitude development videos. Now guys, tell me one thing. If today you are asked to set the paper for Prelims 2023, what will be your first action, course of action? What will be the first step? The first step will be you will be looking at the PYQs, understanding how the questions are framed. So PYQs work as your guiding light in any examination you give, and UPSC it is immensely helpful. Okay, so we have done a detailed research and study on the PYQs of prelims given by UPSC, and we have identified certain patterns, certain pitfalls, certain grammatical cues and different kind of methods which can help you tick the correct option when you're confused between couple of options. And these tricks, friends, mind it, they are different from one subject to another. You will understand this once you watch all the 5 videos, right? Now let us understand one thing. 5 videos, approximately 5 to 6 hours of your time is going to give you a push-up and get you 15 to 20 marks extra. But guys, mind you one thing, for this you will have to have basic knowledge. If you look at the prelims paper, okay, let's just talk about the prelims paper. You have 100 questions, and anyone who's appearing for prelims, they are only sure about 20 to 25 questions, right? You are sure about this, at this many marks you will secure for sure. There are 15 to 20 questions which you will not be attempting. Any average aspirant attempts somewhere between 80 to 90 questions. So leaving these two sections, there is an entire section of questions here wherein you will be a little bit confused between maybe two options. Maybe you have a rough idea and you are not able to answer it perfectly. Maybe there are questions pertaining to data and you cannot remember, or no one can practically mug up so much data. So here, this program will help you get more marks out of this section, right? So this is what we are going to work at, but for that you will need your basic knowledge of all the subjects, right? It is very important to do your regular revisions, your giving your mock test and revising your PYQs. Okay, now let us see the features of both these components separately. So when I talk about logical aptitude development videos, 5 videos are there, and different subjects are decoded differently after a very well researched entire assignment, and this comes to your aid for sure. We'll go to the testimonials as well. Now these tools, they are different. Say for example, there is some data given in any of the question. So if there is a specific data given, if you have to choose between a statement wherein specific data is given and you have to choose between a statement wherein a range of data is given. So then this is a safer choice to go with in 99.9% of the questions. This is correct in UPSC examinations. Now there are a lot of myths that if there is only written in a statement, then that statement will be incorrect. No guys, in terms of polity, in terms of couple of other subjects, the only does not make that huge a difference. Those statements can be very well correct. So don't fall for those generalized tricks that you see around, or you discuss about. These are very specialized, very well researched videos, and they will give you a tool to solve your exams. And if you try them in your mocks as well, you will start scoring better in your mocks also. This is what the students' feedback is. Now let's elaborate the second and a very, very, very important content. We will be giving you content on every question and every option. Generally, whenever there's a question asked, you have 4 options, A, B, C and D, and out of it only one is correct, right? Or there are statements and a few statements are correct. So in this program, we are not just giving you the question and the answer and the explanation about this option only. We will be giving you explanation about these 3 options as well, because in UPSC there is a trend that lot of questions are asked from the options. This trend can be seen in most of the subjects. Maybe it's be it science and tech, art and culture, polity, economy, environment. There are this kind of questions found every year. So this is one thing, PYQ questions, and we'll also tell you which is the correct option. So what happens? You can analyze your PYQ and this file will be given in a tabular form, which will make it very easy. Now these PYQs are not just given year-wise randomly. We have segregated them topic-wise and subject-wise. So like we have analyzed, you will also be able to analyze the PYQs while solving it. In the videos, there's a lot of homework given. You have to do your homework diligently. You have to go through the files diligently. And guys, trust me, it is going to give you an edge over your competitors in the examination. Also, this program has limited seats. We have only 2,000 seats, because if it's available to everyone, it really is not going to benefit anyone. So hurry up, register before the seats fill up. These are a few testimonials. You can read it yourself. Maybe pause the video and read it. Someone who was in the 4th attempt has given this testimonial. Someone has said that this videos learned several new techniques apart from the usual YouTube ones. Lot of testimonials of different types you would be getting. One more page, we have n number of testimonials for this program from last year, and this year is updated, upgraded. So don't miss out on this one. The content is very well curated, the videos are very well researched, and do register if you want to get an ace over your competitors. Thank you very much guys, and let's meet in the program.